Hey guys, it's Saturday. Last weekend we installed the motor and started it up. It sounds really good. You should go back and listen to that. Today we have that to put in. Not looking forward to it because I don't have a lift and makes it a little hard. Yep, the 400 is done. We did get a new input shaft and an output. You can see I have the Ultra Bell. I got the shield on top. It's been dynoed and it's ready to go in. All right, guys. Finally got it on the jack. Um, it was a pain in the butt. My wife helped me push the jack while I lifted it up. Um, I did run to my buddy's house and grab the trans jack, but it was too tall. Couldn't get it up there. So this is where we're at right now. Fun. I have to run out to get some transmission fluid. I gotta throw a quart at least into the converter before I put it on there. So hang tight. All right, guys, take two. I decided since it was high enough to slide this under, and it worked out. So rather do it this way, it could go straight up. So now it's just getting it up there now. So I'm gonna run out to our auto parts store, get some transmission fluid, and continue. All right, got some fluid in the converter, put some on the shaft there, and just picked it up and muscled it in. It's definitely a good arm workout. A little bit of swearing here and there helps out, but finally it seats. It'll seat like you'll feel it go down twice, and then you rack it back and forth, and you actually can feel the tangs on the pump hitting the converter back and forth. That's kind of confirms that it's all the way in. Of course, nothing's easy, so basically I'm not going to bore you guys. So I get it in there, get all the bolts in. Once it gets to a certain point, just kind of plops right in, but it's done. I do end up taking these back out and checking the spacing once again. And I had 3/16, maybe a tad bit more. So I ended up throwing a small washer in there. So I have a trans cooler in the rear with a fan, so I just want to blow these lines out, get most of it out, and make a mess at the same time.
Remember, Sally, when I promised to kill you last?
That's right, Major. You did.
I lied.
What'd you do with Sully?
I let him go.
Alright guys, there it is. The wheels are moving. Everything's complete, warmed up. I'm going to end this video like this. Next video we'll get into the Holly, do that static timing test and get everything adjusted there, and as soon as it gets nice we'll get out on the streets. In the meantime, check out these videos and like and subscribe, guys. Thanks. You guys are doing great out there.